Hello children, how are you all? Today is Friday and we are going to talk about culture. Last culture class we had spoken about three elements. You remember them? Land, air and water. I asked Miss Soundarya to fill air in one bottle and she was shocked. She was able to fill water and soil but she was not able to fill air. And I told you air is all around us. Then we did this sorting activity. From this pouch we took out pictures which belong to air and we placed it under air, and whichever belonged to water we placed it under water, and whatever belonged to land we placed under land. Okay, this was what we showed you last week. This week I am going to talk to you about the same three elements, why it is special for us. Land, air and water is very unique. Okay, I'll tell you why it is unique. It is very important for us to live. Shall we just try? Can we just hold our nose and close our mouth such that no air goes inside? How long can we hold? You can't hold on for too long because you need air to breathe. Okay, similarly you need water to drink and live. If there is no water, you cannot live for a very long time. Water is also very important. So is land, because land gives us a lot of produce like fruits and vegetables, and it also helps us to stay on the land. Okay, for human beings like you and me, we have to stay on the land, and man has always made things on the land. He did farming and all other practices on earth. So for him land is very important. So land, air and water, the three elements are very special. And why it is unique, now I am going to tell you. You remember the planetary system, the solar system, the sun, and there were 8 planets going around it. Okay, we'll come back to it again. We had the sun, the Mars, the Jupiter, the Uranus, the Neptune, the Mercury and the Earth. Now, in all these planets, if you see, some planet may have water. Some will not have water. Some will have water, but there won't be air. Some will have air, but there won't be land. For example, Jupiter. It is a giant ball of gas. There is no earth on it. Can we go stand there? No, you're just going to go down. That's it. What about Mercury? Mercury is very hot and there is no water there. So what can you do without water? You cannot live. So, human beings were able to survive only on one planet, and that is Earth. Which planet is that? Earth. No other planet has the three elements of land, air and water, which is special to Earth. That is why there are humans only on Earth. It's not there in any of these planets. Okay? Now, we look at another one, globe. Okay, this is called as a globe. Okay, you would have seen this on the cultural shelf. You have to be very careful when you're going to handle this, because this is going to come off like this. So when you're going to bring this to your mat or see this, you will have to carry both of it together like this and bring it carefully. Okay, because if this falls, it might break. It might just break apart. Okay, so that is a globe. What is it? Globe. A globe is a representation, a model of the earth. Okay, nama clay model pannuvom illaya. We make clay models. We make model of a snail. We make snake. Okay, like that. This is the model of our earth, and earth is spherical. Okay, it's spherical. Okay, now this is the same earth what you see here in the planetary system, here in the solar system. That's the same earth that we have here. Now I got it little more bigger. That model is called globe. Can you repeat with me? Globe. Now in this globe There are two globes you have seen there. One is very colorful. We are yet to go there, but let's just focus on this. I told you about land, air and water. What did Miss Soundarya say about air? Air is all around us. Where is air? All around us. Okay? So, not only human being, birds, animals, fishes also get oxygen underwater. So, we have that in plenty around the earth and also little bit under the water also. Okay? Now, whatever you see here in brown, you see here? Whatever you see in brown is actually land. What is it? Land. Can you see the land? Yeah, that is the land. And whatever you see in blue is the waters. The waters. So you will see a little bit of water here and little bit of water here. And little bit of water here. Or maybe even underneath. Or even on top. There is water and land all over, but they are in pieces here and there. Okay, so all these waters are called as ocean. What is it called as? Ocean. So there are separate oceans. One ocean here, one ocean here, one ocean here, and one underneath and one right on top. Okay, so there are different oceans. All these waters which are located here and there has a different name, and all these land what you see here are called continents. What is it called? Continents. So there is one continent, two continent, three continent, four continent, five. Okay, you can count it up to 5. Okay, when we are going to see the colored globe, I will show you there are 7 continents. Okay, how many continents? 7 continents. As of now, I want you to remember the name continents. The lands are called continents. The water is called ocean. Ocean. Okay, and air is all around us. Now, did you notice that there is more water than land? Yeah, you have to take a closer look and you will find for yourself. When you bring all the land together, if you brought and kept all the pieces of land together and all the water separately, you will notice that earth is made up of more of water and lesser of land. Okay? Always remember that. Earth is made up of more water and lesser land. Even your body has more water and little bit of solid matter or flesh in it. More of you is water. So is the earth also. More of water. Okay. So the words that we learned today is globe, which is a model of the earth. This globe is called Sandpaper Globe, because you see here it has sandpaper fixed here for the land. Okay, so globe, continents, ocean. Once again, globe, continents, ocean. Okay, please remember these names. In the next video, I'll tell you more about the continents and oceans. Okay, bye-bye.